how to open new Hulu account. So if you want to create a Hulu account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and go for the search bar and search for Hulu. And once you've searched for Hulu, here you will have www.hulu.com. You can click on that. And now you can simply go for login, which is on the upper right. Click on that login. And here, if you have an account, then you can go for your login and you can log into your account. But here you want to create your account, right? So if you want to create it, then you can go for start your free trial, which is on the bottom right. And here first you need to select a plan. So you can select the base plan or you can select the bundle or save plan. So select any plan that you would like. And after selecting, here it will take you to the create page. And here first you need to enter your email address. Simply enter your email address. And once you've entered your email address, you need to enter your password. So make sure to enter a strong password. Your password must contain at least 6 or more characters. And after entering your password, here you need to enter your name on the third blank. And after entering your name, here you need to enter your date of birth. So select the month, day, and the year. And after entering your date of birth, here you need to select the gender. So simply click on that drop down bar and then you can select your gender. So simply choose your gender. And once you've entered all of your information, you can click on continue and your account will be created. So the last step to create your account will be to verify your account. So you will get a code or a link to your email address to verify. So you can simply enter that code or you can simply click on the link so that you can verify to your account. And once you've verified, your account will be created. So that's it. That's how you create your Hulu account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.